Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a crucial feature in Power BI, Row-Level Security, or RLS. This powerful feature allows you to control who sees what in your reports. Let's dive in and see how it works. Row-Level Security, or RLS, is a powerful security feature in Power BI that lets you control data access at the row level. Think of it this way: regional managers seeing only their region's sales data, sales representatives accessing only their customer information, branch managers viewing only their branch performance. Why is this important? Because it ensures data privacy, helps comply with regulations like GDPR, provides a cleaner, more focused user experience. For today's demonstration, we'll use a global sales database. We have sales representatives in different regions worldwide, and we want each rep to see only their region's data. I'll show you how to set this up step by step. First, let's look at our data model. We have a sales table and a regions table with a relationship between them. Notice the sales rep email column. This will be crucial for our RLS rules. Let's go to the Modeling tab and click on Manage Roles. We'll create a new role called Regional Sales Representative. This role will define our security rules. What does this do? It compares the email of the user logging into Power BI with our sales rep email column. If they match, the user sees those rows. Let's test our security rule using View as Roles. I'll select our role and enter a sample email address. See how the report now only shows data for that specific region. When publishing to Power BI service, remember these key points. Update data source settings during publishing. Verify RLS settings in the Security tab. Use Manage permissions instead of Share for role-based sharing. Here are some best practices for RLS. Always test your roles thoroughly. Index your filtering columns. Review user access regularly. Keep your DAX expressions simple. Today, we've learned how to implement row-level security in Power BI. With this feature, you can securely share your reports while ensuring users see only the data they should. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.